Good morning, everyone, and thank you for choosing today's market analysis. Every day, our goal is to provide you with a thorough and knowledgeable analysis of the most relevant financial news to help you navigate the complex economic landscape. Let's begin our daily review. Market analysis, September 11, 2023. Global financial markets are off to a resilient start as they react to key developments across various regions. The Japanese yen has emerged as a strong performer against the US dollar, European markets exhibit strength, and positive signals emanate from China. Additionally, statements from US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen are influencing market sentiment. Japanese yen surges on policy hints. The Japanese yen has made significant gains, surging by over 1% against the US dollar. This surge is attributed to Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda's suggestion of a possible end to negative interest rates, marking a potential shift in monetary policy. This announcement has generated significant interest in the forex market. European and US markets display optimism. European markets are displaying resilience, with the Stoxx 600 index recording a 0.5% rise. The optimism extends to US futures, indicating a positive outlook for Wall Street. Notably, Tesla Incorporated is witnessing a 5% pre-market rally, following an upgrade from Morgan Stanley. Italian banks are also in focus, driven by reports of potential adjustments to a contentious tax on banks' windfall profits. Yellen's reassuring statements. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has played a crucial role in shaping market sentiment over the weekend. Yellen expressed growing confidence in the U.S.'s ability to combat inflation without causing significant harm to the job market. Her statement, "Every measure of inflation is on the road down," is offering reassurance to investors concerned about rising prices. Positive signs from China. China's economy is showing signs of stabilization after a recent downturn. Strong credit data released indicates that measures to support the real estate market are potentially boosting household demand for mortgages, coupled with increased corporate borrowing. These positive indicators have led to a rebound in the Chinese yuan, which had reached a 16-year low. The People's Bank of China's stern warning to speculators and a stronger-than-expected daily fixing rate have further contributed to market optimism. Stocks begin the week positively. Global stocks are gearing up for a positive start to the week, with the S&P 500 indicating a 0.5% increase in pre-market trading. Investors are closely monitoring forthcoming U.S. economic data, including the Labor Department's consumer and producer price indices, to assess inflation trends. Some investors are open to the Federal Reserve gradually raising interest rates if needed. Key updates from financial analysts. Citigroup adjusts home builder price targets. Citigroup has revised price targets for home construction firms, reflecting the impact of benchmark mortgage rates exceeding 7%. Lender's price target is adjusted to $139 per share, while D.R. Horton sees its target lowered to $140 per share. Both stocks maintain a buy rating. ARM's IPO attracts strong demand. Chip designer ARM, owned by SoftBank Group, is nearing sufficient investor support to price its IPO at or above the range of $47 to $51 per share. This underscores demand for robust IPOs and ARM's competitive position against Nvidia. Morgan Stanley upgrades Tesla. Morgan Stanley has upgraded Tesla, TSLA, from equal weight to overweight, raising its price target to $400 per share. The firm recognizes Tesla as an automobile and technology company, citing the potential value added by its Dojo supercomputer. Wells Fargo adjusts TJX Company's price target. Wells Fargo has increased its price target for TJX Companies, TJX, to $92 per share, reflecting stronger business momentum. The firm maintains an equal weight rating on the off-price retailer's shares. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. Citigroup raises Oracle price target. Citigroup has raised its price target on Oracle, ORCL, to $138 per share, anticipating the company to exceed estimates in its fiscal first quarter. Instacart's IPO valuation reduction. Grocery delivery company Instacart is planning to go public with an estimated valuation between $8.6 billion and $9.3 billion, a reduction from its estimated value in 2022. Jefferies raises Adobe price target. Jefferies has raised its price target on Adobe, ADB, to $660 per share, citing a healthier demand environment and a 67% year-to-date rally. Qualcomm secures deal with Apple. Chipmaker Qualcomm, QCOM, has reached an agreement to supply 5G modems to Apple, AAPL, through 2026, impacting Qualcomm's handset business. Citigroup's positive outlook on Microsoft. Citigroup initiates a 90-day positive catalyst watch on Microsoft, MSFT. Key events this week. UK jobless claims, unemployment, Tuesday. Eurozone industrial production, Wednesday. UK industrial production, Wednesday. US CPI, Wednesday. Eurozone ECB rate decision, Thursday. Japan industrial production, Thursday. US retail sales, PPI, business inventories, initial jobless claims, Thursday. China property prices, retail sales, industrial production, Friday. U.S. industrial production, University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, Empire Manufacturing Index, Friday. Some of the main moves in markets. Stocks. The Stoxx Europe 600 rose 0.5% as of 10:27 a.m. London time. S&P 500 futures rose 0.3%. Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.5%. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.2%. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose 0.5%. The MSCI Emerging Markets Index rose 0.2%. Currencies. The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index fell 0.5%. The Euro rose 0.3% to $1.0727. The Japanese yen rose 0.9% to 146.47 per dollar. The offshore yuan rose 0.8% to 7.3071 per dollar. The British pound rose 0.5% to $1.2525. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin fell 0.5% to $25,701.63. Ether fell 1.6% to $1,593.26. Bonds. The yield on 10-year treasuries advanced 2 basis points to 4.28%. Germany's 10-year yield advanced 1 basis point to 2.62%. Britain's 10-year yield advanced 4 basis points to 4.46%. Commodities. Brent crude was little changed. Spot gold rose 0.4% to $1,926.52 an ounce. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching today's market analysis. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.